Okay, so my name is, what today's video is called, Why is the Earth created? Why the Earth was created for life. Okay, you see, not Mercury, not Venus, and not Mars either, which we'll be talking about later on. So why was the Earth created for life? Well, the Earth's core was created to protect life. You know, here it is. Our planet was created for life. You see, Earth's core was created to protect life. Our planet was created for life. A smaller planet like Mars would be unable to hold our atmosphere, which protects the against temperature and range needed for life. Our larger planet like Neptune would trap too much atmosphere, and the pressure and temperature would greatly increase. A stronger gravity would increase the size, would also trap harmful gases in the atmosphere. The Earth has a strong magnetic field that protects us from radiation from the sun. Well, it is true, but I heard that in a couple of thousand years from now, the Earth won't have a magnetic field anymore. But because the Earth's magnetic field is getting weaker, that's why. And I believe, if, and I well, to me, I believe the planet Mercury is going to lose its magnetic field before Earth does. So I believe Mercury's going to lose. I believe the planet Mercury is going to lose its magnetic field probably in a few centuries from now. And then I think Earth will be next. But I believe Jesus Christ will come back way before that. So we'll see. Here, I want to show you why I believe the Earth is the only planet that was created for life. Okay? So, our solar system is filled with amazing planets, but none are protect life except the Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It gets very hot and very cold and has a very slow spin. And its phase is flying heat at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And while the sideways is cooled down to negative 298 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is hotter than Mercury, yet farther away from the Sun. And Venus has an atmosphere 90 times thicker than Earth's. Heat is trapped in the clouds and heats the entire planet to 931 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars is similar to Earth in many ways. A day is 24 hours. A day is 24.7 hours. It's 25 degrees. It's 10 more degrees than Earth. It's warmest and it's comfortable at 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And it has two small moons, which is Phobos and Deimos. But Mars is smaller than Earth, and the gravity is only a third of the Earth's. But okay, without enough gravity, Mars is unable to hold a large atmosphere. That atmosphere made of the gases we cannot breathe. Without an atmosphere, many rays hit Mars and gets very cold at night. Jupiter is the largest planet in our system. It's 10 times smaller than the Sun, but 10 times larger than Earth, and Jupiter spins faster than any other planet. With a day of 9 hours and 55.5 minutes, has fast spin causes tremendous storms. The great red spot on Jupiter is a huge hurricane. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It has the largest set of rings, almost twice as far away from the Sun as Jupiter. Saturn is a gas giant. One of descends the atmosphere. The pressure, temperature, gravity increase. The core of the planet is boiling hot, radiates more heat into space than is seen from the Sun. Uranus is tilted on its side when it's pointing at the sun. If the Earth's axis was pointing at the sun, one hemisphere would always be boiling hot, while the other would be freezing cold. Uranus is 4 times as far as the sun is Jupiter, and twice as far the sun is Saturn. Neptune has the farthest gas giant from the sun, and it is almost 4 times larger than the Earth. The gravity traps harmful gases in its atmosphere. The other lifeless on the other planets in our system illustrates the fact that Earth is unique, especially created for life. Well, these are examples that none of these other planets here are habitable for life. Only Earth is. So guys, now the people that want to leave this planet and colonize another planet. Why you want to leave this planet? Why you want to colonize a planet that you're not probably going to be able to survive on for very long without a spacesuit. You know, Earth is the only planet you can do that. But on other planets, it can't. You see, Earth has been created for us to live in. So what are the other planets are just we're looking at, you know, not to live in. You know, and here's how to get saved to point evolution and the flat earth theory or the damn souls to hell. When you go to heaven through the of our Lord Jesus Christ, salvation is by faith alone, grace and Jesus Christ alone. Only to say is the truth. You can't lose He's witnessing this, and it's amazing to just believe in Jesus Christ for salvation. The next video is what does the Bible say about Labor Day? Well, I'll do that next video. Good, go right now. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.